dokie. That should be good. That should be good. Okay. Really need to fix sub this week too. Well, that'll have to be for a different day. What is up, Deathclaw and Nate? Okay, I think we're pretty much ready to start. We'll just get going with this. Everyone probably already knows the answer besides me. I haven't done this day yet. I'm behind, chat, from being at the compound. It seems to support the elves just fine, though. The bridge fans are gorge. You step carefully as you do the rope stretch and twist. You decide to distract yourself by modeling rope physics. Nice. It's classic. Just a classic. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. In no particular order. Consider a rope with a knot at each end. These knots mark the head and tail of a rope. The head moves far enough away from the tail. The tail is pulled toward the head. Involving plank lengths. You should be able to model the position of the knots on a two-dimensional grid. Following a hypothetical series of motions, your puzzle input determine how the tail will move. The rope must be quite short. In fact, the head and tail must always be touching. Diagonally and adjacent and even overlapping both count as touching. Okay. Why do I feel like this is already going to be hard to solve in Ocaml? I don't know. We'll see, I guess. I will just see. We'll just see. If the what's up, Rexice, Kypris, Rambo? If that is ever two steps up, left, right, blah blah, then the tail must move one step in that direction. What if it's two steps diagonal? One. Does that count as two? I guess this one counts as two. Then it moves one closer. Others the head and tail are touching the same row or column. The tail always moves one step diagonally to catch up. Okay. Okay, you just need to work out where the tail goes as the head follows a series of motions. Assume the head and tail both start at the same position, overlapping. R4, U4, L3, down 1, R4, down 1, L5, R2. The conf was great. McCanch, 15 months. What up, buddy? Conf went really well, I thought. We had some technical difficulties that were frustrating, but I don't think they really got in the way of people getting the content from the conference, so that's good. Moves the head right 4 steps, then up 4 steps, then left 3 steps, then down 1 step, so on. After each step, you'll need to update the position of the tail. Step should no longer. Visually, these motions occur as follows. They start... How do I know that they're starting? Oh, they always start in the same place. Okay. We drink a lot of bubbly water instead. Right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the start. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Then it moves up 1. And then it moves up again. So we'd need to move beep, boop there. Okay. That makes sense. Left 3. Okay. Yep. Okay, I think I get the general picture. After simulating all the positions, the tail visited at least once. Oh, that's kind of cute. And then what? You give the position? Is there support for something like yarn workspaces? I don't know. you'd have to ask the LSP. Make QoP a yearly thing. That was pretty fun. The QoP thing, you'd like the TSS server. I don't know if TS server does or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Okay, so this is the puzzle input here. You know what I'm saying, Scallywag? Like, that's not really necessarily up to NeoVim's thing. That's more like, that's more of like, does your LSP support that? For example, in Rust, it does support using a workspace, but I don't even know if those terms are comparable. I don't know anything about TypeScript intentionally. Right, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if TS server does, right? So like, you'd have to go look at TS server issues and see how you're supposed to set that up to run with Yarn workspaces or something. Okay. So, guys, I write Ocaml now. You couldn't catch me writing TypeScript, except sometimes. There exists no such thing as JavaScript anymore. JavaScript is just TypeScript. RipeScript. Yep. Indeed. So what's the best way to do this? Well, one, we definitely need to do something where we like keep track of, oh, I learned this trick. Let me see if I can remember the trick. Module chord map is map.make struct and type t is int. Is that not what I need to do? Oh, right. Type or let compare equals standard lib dot compare. Huh. Easy, chat. Easy. Dang it, Jersey. You're not supposed to tell people that I got the inner eyelid tattoo. Not cool, Jersey. Not cool. One of 6 people in the world to write Ocaml. The other 5, geniuses. Okay, so suppose we got this coordinate map module. So now as we're going through the movements, well, this one seems like you should be able to just calculate this. Why Ocaml? I wanted to try something new. Each of them has 4 Lambos each. Does it not seem like you could just like calculate this mathematically? Like just the way that it moves? Oh, but it'd be kind of hard. You could calculate maybe how many it moved, but it seems kind of hard to calculate which spots it's been in. So we'll just write something that tracks it. So we could do something like let h, I can't do that. Let h is 0, 0. Can I do this? Is this legal? And then I can do let t is 0, 0. Okay, cool. Cool, Phil. That sounds good. Oh, we all have if you write Ocaml, they send you a Lambo. They just send you one. Okay, so let's just let process. It's gonna take a move and it's gonna take a head and a tail. And for now, it's just gonna return head, tail. It would do this, right? You keep on returning head, tail, and then they decide what they want to do, right? So like, sure, let's say move. So let's maybe write another module move is struct type T. I guess we could do like type direction is like up, down, left, right. Aren't those the ones that we have? Up, down, left, right. Struct direction amount int, something like this, right? Where are the tests? You don't actually need tests if you write code like this. I want to say nvim was a blast. Function prime special playing quap. Thanks. Thank you, Scallywag. I hope you also have some great holidays. What up, robot? Dylan is solving a functional language. Can you see what your solution will be? I don't know if we'll get that far today. We'll see. I haven't been going for the absolute fastest that we could go. Instead, I've been trying to write good Ocaml. So it'll take a while, I think. Or at least okay Ocaml. Okay camel. Ocaml. You know what I mean? The O in Ocaml stands for okay. Let process move HT. So let's actually put this inside here. So what's this gonna do? This is Ocaml. Indeed. They will be all uploaded to YouTube. Yep. Flip is gonna splice them up this week, and maybe next. I don't know how long exactly it'll take, but then we send the videos to everyone, and they can upload it to their own channels, and there will be a playlist. So like, let's just say you were gonna do one move, right? So you could do match move.dir with up. So then what are you gonna do? You'll say like let h is equal to this. And you do, how can you say the first thing of h here? Int. Or can I say, do I want to say this? I don't want to say that. I think I want to say this, right? H dot. How do I get the first value out of this? Where did you learn Ocaml? Literally from doing Advent of Code. It is neat. Maybe we should just make a type called pass. That seems kind of better, honestly. This is just easier to reason about. X equals h dot x plus 1. Y equals h dot y. Assert false, just so that I can in h. I don't know, we'll just do this. ht. And so then let's change these to be x equals 0, y equals 0. Might want to change this to, we'll see. This might help. Docs. Thanks, Rexace. Appreciate that. That is helpful. You're not wrong. Okay. So then we would want to do something like this, right? Like we say let move is dir module.t dir equals up. Amount is, or what's the very first one that we have from day 9? R, so right amount is 4. Module, oh wait, I didn't call it module, I called it move.t. Unbound value. Can I not do that? Do I have to say let, what do you usually call this again? Make? I don't know, new? Dir amount? Dir amount? Create or something like that, right? Something like that. Oh, and Montero, thank you, buddy. What's up? Guys, thank you. Mr. B's 2 whole years of subbing. The wizard has... Oh, I forgot to even say. Come learn Ocaml live. Mostly learn from at and my... Is your name also? It is. With the underscore, though. That was the thing that tripped me up last time. Telling me what to do in chat. Advent of code. Boom. I was wondering how you could do that. So I can do move.x or oh, sorry, not move. Move amount is right. Move.dir. Oh, amount is 4, sorry. And then dir. I can do this. Oh, but that's less favored. Interesting. Okay. Move dot. Interesting. Can't I also do something like this? I've seen that before, but the parentheses can go away as well. Let open move in. Oh, okay, right. Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay, it really doesn't like that I haven't used all these. Fine. Well, we can write all of these down. Yeah. -1. Right. I guess we'll call that +1. And now it's gonna be like, yo, dog, you've done the amount wrong. You're doing day 12? No. We're doing day 9. I'm doing great. We're way behind though. We're way behind because we were hanging out with Prime. I hate it. Well, you can turn it off by doing profile equals release. But they're not wrong. Also, val. Oh, first. Okay. Gotcha. It is literally all Prime's fault. So I could also write this. So I would want to do like something like let inner rec inner move HT. And then I could say inner move HT, right? This could keep calling itself until we're done. So then it could call if we could say match move.amount with 0 HT n inner dir equals move.dir amount equals n minus 1. Oh, oh, chat. Now, maybe I shouldn't be making these into structs because maybe that's more expensive than if I just had them be like tuples or whatever, but inner move with amount equals n minus 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. Move with amount equals n minus 1. Whoa. Okay. That is way cuter. I love it. I love it. Okay. Noted. So then this time I could just say all of these, it would be even easier to write as well. I know that I already wrote all these, so maybe it's dumb to write now, but move with, h with x equals h.x minus 1. Like this. Allocating record versus tuple should be the same. Okay. You can put it in. Okay. H with x equals this. Ciao. H with pow. H with. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I probably could just say this. Nice. That's exactly what we want, chat. Oh, but probably we should only do this when it's 1, right? I think because otherwise we'll move it too many times. These ones you need, because I matched on this N, I can do this. But these you need the X, you need to say h.x here. Can I do this? Okay, I was like, that's only for modules. Okay. All right, so we've moved H. So now we need to know what we should do for T. Right. I was thinking because I could do move dot something here. I was wondering if I could do the same thing. But then when I wrote it out, that didn't make any sense. Subtracting one up? Good call. Oops. That would have been a classic. Bro, imagine streaming in current year. 2022. Noah. Welcome back home. Thank you very much, Concavity. How much are you enjoying Ocaml versus Rust Lua or Go? Well, Go's a trash language, and anyone who tells you differently probably works at a company that writes Go. Couldn't resist. Sorry, that's Noah Strum, my coworker. We write Go at work. Go's fine. I like her. I just wrote Go for like 6 hours today and had a good time. No, I don't work with trash. Time in a stream for reason right as teach say Go is. Oh, you missed it. I was making fun of. I said Go is trash, and anyone who tells you otherwise must work at a company writing Go, which would be me. I like it though. Do I like Ocaml is different. I haven't used it enough to say have a. I can't. I have said so many things to Noah. Favorite feature in Golang is naked or just Bassy. Shut your mouth right now. I still have to finish my Go's worst feature part 2 video. So let T equals match can I do this? H.x minus T.x H.y minus T.y with 0, 0. Boom, T. It's allowed. Otherwise, we'll just say assert false for right now because I don't know what to write in this. And that'll fail. That's fine. No, I was saying the only people who would not say Go is trash are people who work at a company that writes Go. And then I was laughing because I only said that because you were there. And then I was waiting for your reply, but then apparently you just had a bunch of internet problems and ads. So the joke was completely wasted and lame now. Thanks. Thanks a lot. How are you liking the Ocamls? It's good. I like it a lot so far. I'm having a lot of fun writing it. It's very different style. Very different style from saying like writing Golang. You just completely like different process of writing code. But I like it though. I think my favorite one so far, push roll on stacks, was probably day 7. And I was so pleased with how this turned out. Here, I'll look at it on SourceGraph since Noah's here. I don't want to get in trouble. He'll tell our boss I didn't use SourceGraph. And Montero, I'm interested in your thoughts on this file here. If you did day 7, otherwise it won't make any sense. But I was pretty happy with myself. The solutions feels beautiful. Feels beautiful. That face when not showing off Fuzzy Finder. Okay, then maybe it won't. It won't be cool. But the data structure that I used, I felt really cool. And then the solution. I mean, look at this. Part 1, you just pass a different filter and accumulator. Part 2, different filter and accumulator. Oh, I felt like such a functional programmer. I wrote my own little like thing that just passes in a filter and accumulator, and like you pass these through, it loops over the tree, it does this stuff. But then someone was just like, why didn't you just use zip? And I still don't know what a zip is, or zip tree, or a zipper or something. So I don't know. I know what zip is. I don't know what a zipper is. Oh, nice, sweet, very cool. X, Y, when X less than. Is there absolute value? How'd you end up using Ocaml? I just wanted to try a functional language that had good tooling and seemed interesting. I'm just literally using it for this. I'm assuming it's just abs, yeah. Okay, so I can say X, Y when abs X less than or equal to 1 and abs Y less than or equal to 1. And you can just say the same, buddy. Nice. So when they're within 1 of each other, then that's fine. I used a stack and ignored all the names. For what, Mizzard? My stack uses the function call stack. No hints on today's puzzle though. So if it's about to day 7, oh, okay, very cool. Yeah, I know that you could solve it a different way. I just thought this way was really cool. I'll make a YouTube video for sure about this one because I was really pleased with it. Okay, so now we know that we need to move. We need to move this, right? Can we go negative? I imagine it's possible that we go lower than the starting point, or is he gonna be super nice to us? What do you guys think the odds are that we never? Okay, so it literally just starts with down 2, or classic rascal. Okay. Classic. Well, this is good. This is all I needed to see. Down 2. Okay. I like day 7. Nice. I just saw that someone 3D printed today's puzzle. That's pretty cool. Folder module type is cute. Oh, nice. I was feeling pretty happy with those. Okay, so now we have to think about it whether it's positive or negative, but that's fine. I suppose we know some stuff about which direction we're moving too. I don't know if we really want to think about that or not. All right, so now we've got X, Y, right? And what are we gonna do here? When abs X greater than or equal to 2, then this isn't the right solution yet, but I'm just gonna write this here. X equals h dot x minus 1. Oh, we can do t with this. And then we need this as well for y, I suppose. Up. Oh my goodness, these aren't even right. This would be right. This would be left. This would be up. This would be down. Okay. Absolute scrub. X equals Y. That makes sense, right? That's what it should be at the end of that first one. So that's like tracking it this way. By the time you're done, you're like here. 0, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. What's up, Tej? No intro music. Not today. Sub is still broken. But hopefully we'll fix it soon. So this actually isn't exactly what we want to do, because then we'd need to say something like match. Oh, we could say this match. So if we're going up, no, it's this could only happen if we're moving. No, I think it's better to just do this. Oh, we need to match whether I'm further negative or further positive, right? So if I'm -2 away, then we want to be -1. If I'm +2 away, then okay. I think we can do that. I don't think it can be any more than 2. Based on how we're doing this. So then we could say like this. Plus h dot x minus h dot or t dot x divided by 2, right? So if this is no, this would be like if this was 4 and this was 3, so let's say this was 4, and this was 2, right? So then that would be 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 would be 1/2. But then if I'm like -4 and -2, oh, that doesn't work at all, does it? Well, that doesn't work, because if this was -6, -4, no, that doesn't work. This tells me my new value, right? Is this right? That can't be right. Why not write without abs? I guess we could now. I was thinking it'd just be easy. All right, right. So we could just do this, right? If the difference is 2, that h.x is 2 further to the right, then I need to add 1. Yeah, you're probably right. That does seem easier. t.x plus 1, like this, right? And then if it's -2, then I want to do -1. Okay, that is easier. When y is 2 versus y is -2, with y is t dot y, y, right? Like this. We'll parse this in a second. Up 4. So it should be 4, 4 and 3, 3. Is that right? At the end of this one? No, because I think I didn't do this correctly. I didn't do this move correctly here. Why not write without? Oh, wait. Equals equals. Oh, I have to do like this. Okay, that's still. Okay, but this is a problem, right? Because if it's 2. Oh, we need to know as well whether they're. I think that I want to say this, actually. Y equals h dot y. I think that will work. Ooh, doggy. Now we're cooking. Nice. That looks good. And we can just do one more move to make sure that we're doing this correctly, and then we'll read them all. You can still use with this cuteness factor. Oh, because I could say... Oh, right. Yeah, let's go back. But now I just say H instead of... Because now I can say H like this. Did I not do it right? Oh, I think I did it right. I need to switch this out. Okay, nice. 1, 4, 2, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Boom. Nice. Some of them is T. No, I got it now. We're good. Okay, cool. That looks great. That looks very cool. Okay, so now we just need to read this, right? Can I write this with a really cute fold? Can I write this with a really cute fold, do you think, chat? I think I could write this with a really cute fold. List.fold left. HT. Wait, that's not my init. Where do I put init? Okay, pass in a function that takes an accumulator and the thing, right? So I have function. I have accumulator, which I can write as HT. And I guess I have like row. So now we need to turn the row into a move. Row to move. Row. Maybe I should write this as a separate thing here. Let folder. I don't know what you would call it even. HT row. Let move is match row. Row dot advent. How do you debug recursive functions? With your brain. Advent dot split once. Row. Right? This takes this and gives you a string with so then I should be able to write this, right? I should be able to say direction or D, comma, amount, right? String and string. Beautiful. Oh no, I should say this. Let D amount is this, right? I can write it like this. String and string. Awesome. Then I can write let move is direction. Up, down, left, right. Match D with R right. U up. L left. D down. Assert false. Amount equals int of string amount. Or is it called dir? I think I called it dir. Do I still have to do move.dir, move.amount in assert false here in this? Okay. How do you debug loops? There's no difference. Big brain. Match parents are wrong. Oh, that's pretty lame. Okay, whatever. It doesn't really matter though. So this gives us a move, which is move.t. You don't need move.amount in the second one. Okay, well, I'll leave it there just because I like it though. Folder ht. So now we're gonna do that move in this. Move.process move ht. That folds it. Gets us our new value. Now I want to do folder this, and then I have input, which would be input. I don't know, man. Let's see if this works. Let result is part 1 input. Let format.print. Oh, I haven't done this though where I keep track of the map though. I forgot to do the thing that I wanted. I forgot that I need to keep track of the map. So we also need to have this guy around. M. Which is a coordinate map. Actually, we could change this to be pos map, right? Can I just do this? I can't do this, right? I could say pos though. Maybe first we should make sure we end up in the right spot, but that's okay. Move, process.move. Let ht is this. htm. Unbound value M. Okay. So now we need to add this to the map. All right. So then I should say let M is chord map.empty in this. And then hopefully I can say this would be chord map.add a pos, which is T, and then M. What doesn't it like? Pos A, chord map. Chord. Oh, I need set. I'm dumb. Set. I should call this chord map, chord set. Chat, don't give me spoilers for other days. Oh, nice, cool, Avatar. So you like Helix so far? Nested lets aren't indented. That's because this is a function here, so this part's okay. I think this will work, right? So then when I get this out, I'm gonna get HTM, so I should be able to get like HTM, which is, this is a chord set, so I should be able to say print. I'll do format.printf cardinal, or we'll say part 1. Chord set dot cardinal M. Part. So we got 4. That can't be right though. Four is not right. Did I do something right? Right, up, left, down. Okay, that part's good. Amount, int of string amount, move.process move ht, chord set dot add t m. Save kills double. Dang it! Dude, do not spoil Doc Hudson like that. htm, chord set dot empty. Huh, that seems kind of weird. Unless I'm doing something wrong here. Input, part 1 input. Input is this, print list of these. Okay, so we are definitely iterating over a lot of different spots, right? Format.printf tail x equals %d, y equals %d, x dot t dot x, t dot y, and this. Oh shoot, I didn't actually want to say this. Oh, process needs to take in this m as well, or this set. Okay. At each of these spots, we need to call this. We need to call this. We need to call this. And then we need to call chord set dot add t set. And then this also should return set here. Oh, what the heck just happened? Rising Phoenix out of nowhere. Rising, did you even say hello yet today? The heck? I was literally just looked over at my Twitch thing and then there we go. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Rising Phoenix. Does it stand for Europe West? I haven't even asked. Or is it just you? Pog. Pog crazy. Pog crazy. And I'm in the UK. Very cool. We're working on Advent code in Ocaml, Rust 2.0, or 1.0, or 0.1. If you prefer any of the following, seems pretty good. I wonder if I should be writing this here as well. I feel like I should be writing this here as well. Then I don't need to do this, I don't think. I wonder if this will work. That didn't work at all, unfortunately. Why didn't that work? Should be empty row. I don't think we need this anymore. Wait, we do need that. We need to keep on passing that set every time. We have an empty set. It comes into here. Oh, very cool. Very cool, Beat Watcher. The hive mind is real. Wait, what are you talking? Wait, what are you talking about, Bassie? Seriously, though, really appreciate it, Rising Phoenix. That's super kind of you. Move dot process, move HT set. So we go to here. We have a set here. We pass this into inner here every time. Chord set, add T set. Every time we get a new T, we add it to the set. Chord set dot add T set. We keep on passing that back. And we pass inner move HT set. Am I not thinking about this correctly? That's literally why, Geek Masher. Folder takes M, returns set. You're totally right. Thank you. Thank you. That's why I should have named all of them correctly. Oh, camel tree, oh, camel tree. Your branches are so balanced. No for loops here, no for loops here. Everything's all about data. I don't know. I'm trying to figure this problem out. Let's see if we get it right, chat. First try. Easy, chat. First try. You pretty much can't not get first try with Ocaml. That's what I heard. If it compiles, it works. I think Russ stole that idea too. Ocaml's hug on Spotify when? Chat GPT. Log in. Yeah, that's fine. Whoa there. Whoa there. What do you mean whoa there? How am I supposed to get any work done? How am I supposed to get any work done without them down? Leak? Do you mean the emails that are on my public profiles? Well, I wanted to ask it to write me a parody song of Oh Christmas Tree, except sub the words Oh Camel Tree, and then see what it did, and then I'll just record it for you right now. The guessable email leak. Woo. The not even guessable, just the ones that are literally listed in my profile. Okay, let's see what part 2 is. Part 2, a rope snaps. Aw, snap. Do I get royalties? Nope. Definitely not. Okay. The bridge is still there, but some of the ropes that broke are now whipping toward you as you fall through the air. Oh no. Swimming too quickly to grab. You only have a few seconds to choose how to arch your body to avoid being hit. Relatable. Relatable scenario here, chat. Very relatable. Fortunately, your simulation can be extended to support longer ropes. Rather than 2 knots, you now must simulate a rope consisting of 10 knots. 1 knot is still the head of the rope. Move according to a series of motion. Each knot further down the rope follows the knot in front of it using the same rules as before. Using the same series of motions, both of them marks H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Motions now occur as follows. Oh, come on. Wait, why would it be that when... So this one moves up. Then 1 goes to here. Oh, and then 2 goes to here. Okay, I see. Only high-level programmers do these AoC challenges. Why thank you, Mr. Donor? Why thank you? Anyone can do them. Did you get one? Did it let you get in for it? Really? Anyone? Yeah, why not? I don't know why it won't let me log in right now. Zainu, send it to me in DM on Discord. Okay, so now I have to think about this. Can I use my same solution as before? Ask GPT why it doesn't let you log in. That's a great question. Ocaml, how functional and strong. Your type safe code makes all the bugs go wrong. Ocaml tree, your modules and functors make coding so much fun. Ocaml. That is pretty good, actually. Send a royalty check to Canada. Just all of Canada, Jersey. Do the bridge? Okay. I have to think, what does the bridge even sound like? Oh, Christmas tree instrumental. Or, would you just say instrumental? I don't even know if that's what you would say. Where's the bridge? What part is the bridge? That's got to be about here. Your modules and functors coding so... Oh no. Ocaml. Your modules and functors make coding so much fun. Ocaml. Oh, your immutable state keeps code safe and sound. Functional programming is the way to go down. Sorry, I lost it. Oh man, beautiful. All right. All right, let's solve this again. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. So now we have to solve this 10 times. What am I wondering now? Now I need to keep track of the position of the new tail 9 visits. Example, the tail never moves, so it only visits one position. However, be careful. More types of motions are problems, so you might want to visually compare your simulated rope to the one above. Here's a larger example. Encore? I think we're all right. I think that's probably enough. Can I do this same strategy, but now process? Process needs to have process 10, basically. We'll just say process 2, right? So now what would you do? You would have like T. You'd have a bunch of T's. You go through and you evaluate them one at a time each time, right? Maybe there's a better way to do it. Is there a better, smarter way than just saying like, okay, we're going to see what head did and then what the next one did and what the next one did and what the next one did? I guess you could cancel if they're exactly the same probably, but I don't even know if that's worth it. Oh, GPT can definitely already solve some of the AoCs. That's how some people solved at the beginning. ChatGPT is in my dreams. So what would you do for that? Like, I feel like you would call, like, you have head and then you have like, I heard it could do up to day 7, 8, but struggles after that. Yeah, I have no idea. What would be the best way to like, what would be the best way to like model it? You almost want to start with like an array. So instead of having head and tail, you would just have like knots or something like that, right? People giving it exactly what the question on the website, or are they having to over explain it? No, I think sometimes you can literally just copy and paste it, Zanus. And then you just copy and paste in your problem. Yeah, it is pretty incredible. I'm trying to think, what would be the Ocaml way to solve this? Head 1, head 2, and tail. You can recursively take new heads to update their positions. Right, so should we do something like this? Should we basically have like knots, right? If you imagine, we'll just comment out basically everything inside here because this won't really work anymore, right? So you still probably want to have let, rec, inner. Probably something like this where you have a move and then you have knots and then you have a set of the spots that have been seen. Yeah, I'm not really, I don't know that I would say I'm afraid either, Bassie. That does not sound like a bad idea. Oscar? That's a no-brain comment, so it's allowed because of your icon. Actually, I'm just jealous that I didn't say that first, to be honest. Match knots with, and then you could do something like this, right? You'd have head, tail. Or you would basically do like what? Head, tail, rest. And then you would have like this. And then what would you return now? You could just return, I guess all we're really interested in the end is the set. But we'll probably return knots. Oh no, we need to know. We need to also know what do you do on the last one where you just have head, tail? Wait, what does this even look like? Are these two different? These are two different things? This is when there's only one value left, right? So in this case, we would do something like knots. Chord set dot add head set, like this, right? Set as in unique data. Yep. Teach tweet it later and not credit you. True. That's not a bad idea. Boom. Bambi Capello, thank you for that Twitch primer. I'm honored to be your Twitch Prime receiver. What is it not like? Oh, in here. Okay. How do you stay motivated in a stressful period? Depends what you mean. It's pretty hard to say without knowing more info. Yeah, no, they are not online yet, Rorix. I do have one video that, is it linked currently? Nope, it's on my YouTube though. Coffee, lots of coffee. That also helps. Good call, boogie in the venue now. I do think that it is a helpful, helpful thing to think about. But this is like for burnout. Not exactly the same. Do I have something for this? Burnout. Commands. Add burnout. Here's a video where I give some thoughts that might help you. That I hope could help you with burnout. But you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not exactly the right thing. Anyone is subject to furlough last 2 weeks of the year? Like getting laid off, Avito? I'm not sure what you're saying. Or forced PTO or what? I'll be taking some time off, which hopefully means more streams, chat. Hopefully means more streams. Stressful period, not able to burn out. Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. Like, is it stressful at work? Is it stressful because of home life? Is it stressful? Like, you know what I mean? I'd have different advice depending on what, like, you know what I'm saying? Depending on what your thoughts are there. Maybe he works at Forced Vacation. Gotcha. Maybe he works at Twitter. Okay, so what would we do here? Now we would do we do this process right here. But we actually don't want to update the set. I'm just going to copy this, honestly. Sorry, chat. Let, execute move, and let's just get rid of the set everywhere here. I actually don't want. Oh, wait a second. Oh, sorry, one sec, chat. Hey, what's up? All right, I gotta take the dog out, chat. I'll be right back. Be right back, chat. Okay. Sorry, I was literally running around outside with the dog too. Oh man. Let's actually move this inside of here. Nice, Jersey. Nice. It is a pickup line. It's a pickup line, all right. So I want to do basically like, what do I want to do here? I want to do execute. Oh, I have to do this one at a time actually now. So this is actually better. I actually don't think this should be recursive yet. And let's get rid of this inner. Get rid of this inner and this inner. And then inner here will just be... We're just not going to do that at all. This is just going to return HT. And we don't want set in this execute at all. So this just moves a particular head and a particular tail now, which I think is good. Does this work though? So let me think about how would I do this. So I would go through all of them with the move, right? Basically I would call this. I would say do something. I don't know what I would call this. Do something. Right? Do something. This returns knots. A set. No. No, we don't pass the set inside here. We don't need that this time. We get to the very last one. What are we going to do? When there's nothing less, that's just the tail. I guess we can return knots and tail, right? Should we write something like this? Is this stupid? So only when we get to the very last one, then we return a new set of knots. No, that's not right. We need to build a new set of knots as we're going, right? I don't have an opinion about it, Daniel. Ah, right. True, Fergus. True. Ghost Pants are back in town. The Ghost Pants are back in town. So we also need to accumulate our new... We need to accumulate our new tail as well. This actually does need to be recursive, right? Now this is just going to do it for one move, for one particular move. We're going to have to call this a bunch of times on each move. But I need to update them, Kasama, so that's what I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Should I mutably update them? Ew. Ew, that's not the Ocaml way. If I mutably update them, then it's not a big deal. But then I need to... Mutation. Song name? It's a nice song. This is Margarita by Cloud None. So I'm kind of thinking I need to do like... updated. Something like this, right? So we wouldn't even do this. We would do move with amount equals move dot amount minus 1. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Move. Something like that. I guess then for this one we could just say what? Updated. And then in this one, what are we going to do? Oh, yeah. Did you guys see Doggy? Hi, puppy. Amber, why don't you just sit in your chair, huh? She wants to go play with the kiddos, but Galen's trying to put Izzy down for a nap. Date night with Prime was great. I love date nights with Prime. See, because this isn't right. This is not good, basically. I don't think this is the right data structure. I don't think this is the right shape. This isn't the right shape, I don't think. Oh, you know what I need to do? I think we need to write something different. Let's try this. Let rec execute all, something like this. This is gonna get called for all of them. So you're gonna get passed a move. That's fine. Maybe we could even say direction. Or dir. Then we don't even have to think about the amount. Maybe we say execute once. Something like this. Dir. Then you're going to have your knots, which is a list of knots. Keep in mind things at the top match first. Yep, I'm aware. I'm aware for just... I wanted that for this case. And then you would have basically like head. Tail updated. Something like this. Is this even right? Maybe this isn't even right at all. Because what I'm thinking here for this, right, is you would basically do this. Let's try this again. You wouldn't even return this at all. I'm trying to wrap my head around what's the way that I could write this in a nice, cool way. Maybe I should just draw it out. Let's at least try like this. So we've got something like this. We've got A, B, or we've got like head 1, 2, 3, 9, right? So what are you gonna do? The first time you're gonna get head and 1, and then you want to do update head and 1, and then this should give you let head 1 equals this, right? We should probably process the first. We should probably do something like move head. Amber, puppy. Hey, come here. It's okay. Come here. Hey, look at me. You're okay, pup. Hi. I know you want to go play with the kiddos, but mommy wants you down here, huh? Okay? Hey, it's okay. All right, ready? Come on. Up. Good girl. Yep, good girl. Up. Good girl. Okay. All right. So we should do basically move. Maybe I want to write this in a different way. Where we write, this is just let do move head. Move and head is this basically. She is a good girl. So this would be just for the very first one. Right, this is just for the very first one. I know. Well, it's like she just wants to go upstairs because the kids are out, but Kayleen's trying to put Izzy down, and then Ember just runs around and does crazy. Yeah, well, I think it's because... Yeah, I think she just wants to be around when they do that. But she's okay. I need to take her for a WALK later today, too. So it'll probably be done in 30 minutes. Hopefully you can finish part 2 in a cool fashion before then. Because that was only like... That'd only be basically like an hour and a half, 2 hours for one problem. That's not so bad. We could have written this faster, obviously, but like I like trying to write this. I'm still stretching my head around a bunch of these strat J's. So let's say we do this. Let's actually just comment. Can we just comment out the rest of this? Right? Let's just comment out the rest of this. So we have knots, right? And basically we're going to get the first. We're going to get the first knot. So let head is list.head knots. Okay. In this. And then we can do let new head is move head like this, right? Now we have a new position. So now I want to call update on every next value and then put those into my list. I wonder if I should just do it as an array. It just is easier as an array because we could just like update the values in place in the array. I know chat's going to be upset that I'm updating an array in place, but it just seems nicer that way. So like, let's do, what if we say like, let n equals 10, right? Let knots is array dot make. I think we want to do init. Init f returns a fresh array of length n. N. X equals 0, y equals 0. Position array, nice. Not good for updates unless it's at the head. Right. Right, and I think we could do it a different way, but I don't really want to append to the list, and I don't want to reverse the list, and I don't want to do anything like that, so I think this one's fine. I think actually this kind of works nicely. These will get moved probably out of here, but that's okay. Actually, yeah, this is okay. So then what are we going to do with the knots here? So we're going to first update the very first one, right? So we can say let, or I can say knots 0. I think I use this syntax. Move head knots 0. Move, right? So I think I can do this. I think lists are immutable and arrays are immutable naturally. Yeah, I think so. I think it's okay for this case, right? So now we've updated that. So now I think we can do for I equals 1 to n. 1 to n. Do. Done. Did I lose this n? Unbound value n. No, it seems like that should work. What are we going to do now? We're going to say knots 0 or knots I. List is linked list, that's why it's immutable. Right. Now I want to do basically this. I want to do this stuff right here. I'm going to copy this basically and we'll say let update move head tail, or what did I call it? Just H and T. Okay. HT is this. And then we just return t. And then we can do this. Let this equals this. Oh, right. Update. Move. Not I minus 1. Not I. Right? Unbound value n. Is this not how you write a for loop? Oh, no. Did I already for loop Ocaml? I already forgot how to do it. For. Do I need to say in? Oh, is it in? Nope. Where are the for loops? For this to this. Oh, is that the wrong? Why is it still not updating? Oh. Misplaced documentation comments. Oh, it doesn't like these? Okay, I'll just delete these. These are all wrong anyways. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong in. Well, that's tricky. Let update move head. Okay, so let's actually move this. This is where I guess I just suck at statements. Okay, nice. Okay, there we go. Got it. There we go. Now we're in the right spot here. So this just moves the head. Okay, so this moves it in the correct direction. So this knots will actually get passed in, which is fine. But we probably only want to go to, well, this would be 10, which we don't want. We want to go 1 to 9. This will be 9. And then now we can do, we should have a set. Right, so this is just going to be executing the move once. Chord set dot add knots 9 or n minus 1, I guess we could write in case we wanted to make this generic. Set. Okay, and so that gives us a new set. That's what we would return, I guess, right? We update knots in place. Maybe that's not good. We could return the new ones instead. We could make a copy every time. It just seems kind of gross, don't you think? I kind of want to update it. I think I'm just going to do that, even though that's kind of bad, I think. It just seems like the right style of thing that you'd want to do for this. So then, like, this would be let part to input is this. So we'll do this, right? We'll get, this is kind of like my base case now here. We'll take basically this same move here. Let n equals 10 in this. Then we're going to do move process 2. Oh, this also needs to return a new amount. Or new move. Move with amount equals move dot amount minus 1. So that's executing one pass basically, right? Array dot cardinal length. Not. Okay. Flip the bits how you please. I won't judge. Very cool. So then this is basically where we need to keep doing this until we're all out of moves. So I guess we could say for 1 move dot 2 move dot amount do. Sorry. Let me first write this as a loop. Relax, chat. Oh no, let's not write it as a loop. I'm not gonna. I won't do it. I won't even do it. I won't even do it, chat. Don't worry. Because we take all of this, we do in, and then we're gonna call inner. Or is that what we called it? Okay, we called it inner again. Nice. Inner, move, not set. Okay, so we're not actually going to return this. We're going to update knots in set here. And then we're going to do what? We're going to call inner again. Move with amount is move.amount -1. This is day 9. Day 9. So this is day 9, but that's okay. Knots. I guess we don't even need to pass knots into this inner function because it's just going to be the same one. I don't even want to get tricked up by that. And then we can say this. And then we don't need to pass that. We do want to pass this. This adds this new one to the set. It does all of this. What's it going to do when amount is match move.amount with 1? What are we going to return? We're just going to return the set here. So when we call process 2, what are we going to get? We're going to get just a set back to us. Knots. We're going to create this. N is 10. Unused variable set. This is just going to be set here. Move. Oops. Knots. Set. Knots. Oh no. Fold left. Folder. Oh, this would be set. Maybe, chat. Maybe. Dang. Let's see if we can get whatever it told us to do on the first one. You go to starter projects to learn Go. I think always a good one for those kind of languages is like re-implement some command line tool you're familiar with. I think that's a good way to get familiar with the language. Okay, so that would be, we should be here. Does this run? Pattern matching failed. Line 33. lib/advent. Wait, what? This one? Split once? Oh, there's an empty line at the end. Okay. Part 2. There's no way part 2 is also 13, is it? Does it say what the solution to this one is? New tail visits 9. In this one, it never moves. Okay, well, okay. Nice try, I guess. Part 2. Oh, wait. What? Did something just happen? What did I just miss? What the... Flander Jam? Is Ocaml your first functional language? Basically, yeah. Golang by example is good as well. What's up, cat rabbit? Move process 2. Move knots set. So we want to keep accumulating this set, and knots should keep on getting updated, right? Wait, can I just move this to here? Move head. So we should only ever do that part once. Oh, nope. Nope. That's not right. Or is that right? Move. Yep. Move. Move head. Move. Right. It's actually +1, left -1. Okay. Where I equals 1 to 9. So now we have 1. We're going to update this with wherever head is, wherever knots is. Whoops, I don't need these I don't need these. Knots I.x, knots I.y. Whoops. Whoops. They provide a second example. The answer is 38. Yeah, but I have part 2 wrong anyways. This should only be 1. I need to keep the definition of the new tail 9 visits. In this example, the tail never moves. So it only visits one position. So I've done something wrong here. I've done something wrong. I'll try 42 if we can't figure it out. Part 2. N is 10. We get these new knots. 2% done, then really something was broken upstream that you needed for... Not recently, Warforged. What's up, Wetsy? Set and row. So this should return a set every time. This turns the row into a move. That's good. Process 2, move, set. So we should be doing... At rec, inner, move, set. Knots at 0, we move the head. We just move knots 0. So we move it to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, and then we move it up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we move it left 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we move it down. So this looks like we're moving this part correctly, right? So that part seems fine. How much do you like Ocaml? I'm having a lot of fun with it. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. Knots I, update, move. Knots I -1, knots I. Update. So this should make it. They're both less than or equal to 1. So then this should be 10, but then that would be 9, right? I just wanted to learn something new. Inner move with move down amount. That one seems fine too. Dang, Wetsy, nice. Move, set. Huh. $13. Wait. Oh, wait. With like 10. Okay, that's good. I was like, what? So it's 10, so the last one should be 9. Init, refresh array length n with element number I initialized to the result of f of I. Okay, so that should be fine. So you would say 10. You'd make all 10 of these. You would make an empty set, folder, set, row. Right, up, left, down. Yep. Moved out amount, int of string amount. Yep. Move, process to move. Knots, set. And set keeps getting updated every time. And knots is just one value here. I'm struggling to see what we did wrong here. Oh my goodness, chat. I was just using the wrong value. Like an absolute scrub. I just literally had the wrong one. Oh my goodness, chat. I was literally just using the wrong one. We had the right answer. Dang. Like an absolute scrub, chat. $36? Was that the answer that I'm supposed to get here? Or 38? Oh wait, did it say? I'm not reading anymore. Here's a larger example. These motions occur as follows. Okay. 36. Nice. Okay, so I think we actually got it right then. Whoops. What? Does it end with L9? Okay. Exception file line 73. They got farther away from each other? They can get farther away than I had thought before. -1, 3? Oh no, chat. I did not, Dimitri. Don't worry. Don't worry. You can have one where they move 3 away from each other? So I guess maybe we change this to be greater than or equal to for all these. I wonder if this will work. 3685. I'm willing to buy it. We'll test it out. Too high. Okay. Dang, not first try. I guess we probably should have tested it on the previous input here. This one, do we still get 30? Oh, okay, so we don't get the right answer here. Oh, shoot. That's less than or equal to. Nice. I was just too quick on my oh, nice. Kafka, you were right as well. Very cool. 24, 26. What? I have to wait still? Greater than, less than, greater. I should have tested it on my previous one. Classic. Classic. Dang, I can't believe I got absolutely bamboozled. Bamboozled by using the wrong variable name though at the beginning for a while. I was like pouring over everything. What? That's still wrong? Uh-oh. No, this one they said they didn't give me return to day night. So I guess 24, 26. That wasn't the same answer as last time. 60, 44 was still the right answer for this one. Okay. Wait, did it say it was too high or too low? I wasn't even, I didn't pay attention again. Shoot, chat. So this one still gets me 36, which is the correct answer. Oh, no, 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 chat. We're in trouble now. Is that too high? Okay. We're in trouble now because we get the right answer here, right? Let's just try and make sure we copy and pasted this in correctly. Okay, so that just solves that just to make sure. I'm like you're hoisting a larger rope with 10 knots. And this one's hard to scroll through. That's a problem, chat. Oh, but they could still be on a diagonal to each other, couldn't they? I don't think I have it being possible to be on a diagonal with this method. So I think that's the problem. So these should actually just all go back to being equals. Right? And then we need to handle these cases here. -1, 3. So if you have it where x is 3, right? Where x is 3, what would that mean? You're 1, 2, 3 over here. And then you'd be -1. So you should move over. Do you move down or do you move? Well, which way do we move? If we have like this, like head, H. Wait, does this even pass? How do we get to here? How did we move like this? I feel like we're wrong. This shouldn't be possible to do, right? Is it possible to get this far apart from each other? Or do I have a different bug earlier? Because this should move to... It can't move to here. That's not legal. Should we be moving to here? Not if you move head in 1 steps. I feel like that shouldn't be legal to do, right? You're never farther than 2, right? So I think this logic isn't quite correct anymore. So I wonder if I should write what the previous update was here. We could also print out our board, but I don't know if I want to write printing. I don't know if I want to write that much stuff for it. We don't have very much. We don't have very long left either. Shoot. I think this logic must not be right then. -1, 3. That just seems not possible. I think I've messed something up. So it must be that we can't do this every time. 72. Oh, I just fixed it. Because I was going to copy these and then change them to if they were 3, but I don't think that should work. So what should this look like? So let's say we have y here. Can we have... Oh, we could have this scenario, right? Where we have something like this. And then this gets moved to... if this gets moved to here... This is legal to do, right? And in this case, both of them are 2. I think this is the case we scuffed here. It can happen with the long line, but it couldn't happen with the other one. Okay, so in this case, when they're both equal to 2, then we need to write something else. Whatever. Whatever. HD. I don't know how to write. I don't want to write it inside of there. Right, so we've got let x dist h.x minus t.x, and let y dist is h.y minus t.y, in match x dist y dist. Oh, I guess I already know that these are... It doesn't really matter though. So okay, so let's say you've got both of these are guaranteed to be 2. So we can do this, right? So let's go 2 2 2. Then what are you going to do? You're going to do x equals t dot x plus 1, y equals t dot y plus 1. I don't know if there's a better way for me to write this, right? But then I would do like 2 negative 1 or negative 2. I guess I could figure out the sign maybe. T dot x. Is this real? Is this like let x is equal to if x dist greater than 0, then t dot x plus 1, else t dot x minus 1, in let y equals if y dist greater than 0, then t dot y plus 1, else t dot y minus 1, in x y. In this, maybe. Why should I learn Ocaml? I don't know why you would learn it. 2384. Wait, what was my last answer though? H dot t plus... Does that work though? Because they can be negative. I'm not sure that works. Does that work? I actually don't even know, but I think this one will work, right? What, puppy? I'm almost done, Ember. I think maybe this is our solution. What did we think the answer was before? Okay, nice. So this has a decent chance of actually being correct now. Before we do that, you know what would be smart is we do this. Okay, so we still get that number. Okay, we'll try this out. Nice, chat. Oh, you guys want to say hi? Okay, Ember, come up. Okay, up. All right, we just solved. No, come here. It's okay. Come here. You gotta stay up here, puppy. What? Good girl. Wait. All right, we'll go raid someone, and then because this is probably a fine time for me to be done, and we'll solve another one tomorrow, or maybe even tonight. Oh, we should raid Griff after a great and excellent talk. What the heck? Rising Phoenix? Wrong stream. Prime streamed earlier. You're doing everything in Ocaml. We are doing everything in Ocaml. Prime streamed earlier, Rising Phoenix. I don't remember if you recognize. I can get a bouncing ball, maybe to confuse you a little bit more. I don't have my hoodie down here. And I didn't steal his headphones, which would have been a good idea. You know, he's got 2 headphones in there so that his kids can come play games. Very cute. Okay. I gotta go. Doggy obviously needs some loving. Next year, AoC and Zig. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully. But seriously though, Rising Phoenix, thanks. I might actually be back tonight, or we'll be back tomorrow. We'll definitely be back tomorrow. I'm gonna hopefully record a YouTube video tonight after done with some other stuff. We'll see. So then if I finish that early enough, we'll also do some more streaming, because I want to solve more of these problems because they're fun. That one was cool. I really like my solution. It does feel like, I guess I want to check. Let's check really quick. X equals h dot x plus t dot x. Divide by 2. Y equals h dot y plus t dot y. Quick. Divide by 2. Quick.